I chose to do the Social Impact Lab with Emzingo because I have a passion for economic development and I want to continue with that career after the MBA and wanted to formalise it in a learning environment but in a professional setting. Emzingo provided this opportunity in Johannesburg to work with a social enterprise that was having both a social and environmental impact on the community. Well, personally, I had a great time in South Africa. I have lived in Southern Africa before, so going back really solidified my love for the area. And also I developed a comfort for living in these developing situations and working with people with a completely different culture. Professionally, it also just exposed me to a completely different business culture, and also as it's economic development you have many different challenges and you have to deal with these challenges every day in development, and that's a growth period professionally.